And welcome back. Let's get off the blocks with some track and field, shall we? 10-time national shot put champion Danniel Thomas-Dodd is a noticeable absentee from the J3A's 50-member team released today for September's World Athletics Championships in Tokyo, Japan. More in this report. 2019 World Championship shot put silver medalist Danniel Thomas-Dodd, who is the national record holder for the event, both outdoor and indoor, has opted out of competing at the World Championships in Tokyo, Japan. Thomas-Dodd, who is also a Commonwealth and Pan Am Games champion, also won World Indoor Silver in 2018. She has a season's best throw of 19.30 meters. The only shot putter down to compete is Lordrika Cameron, as there is no male representative. Meanwhile, on the women's side, Sharika Jackson and Danniel Williams will be aiming to defend their respective titles, while Shelly Fraser-Price is hunting an unprecedented 6th 100-meter title. Fraser-Price is listed with national champion Tina Clayton, Jackson and alternate Jodine Williams, who was 4th at the national championships. The likes of Gabrielle Matthews, national 800-meter champion Kellyanne Beckford, Adele Tracy and Nayoka Clunis have been included based on their quota rankings. Notable Olympic finalist Tia Clayton has been added to the sprint relay pool. On the men's side, Antonio Watson will be defending his 400-meter title. Olympic silver medalist Kishane Thompson will be looking to upgrade his medal in Tokyo, and with him in the men's 100 meters will be Oblique Seville and Akeem Blake, with the World Championship sprint relay medalist Raheem Ford the alternate. 2019 world champion Tajay Gale, who had a medical exemption and did not compete at the national championships, is down to contest the men's long jump. Christopher Taylor has made it based on the quota rankings, as does the 2019 discus men's champion Frederick Dakers, who is also the NACAC champion. NACAC bronze medalist Chad Wright, NACAC long jump champion Nikolai Williams, national champion Rasheed McDonald, as well as runner-up Delano Kennedy are the other quota athletes who've made it through on the men's side. 32 men and 28 women have been listed, along with a 20-member management team. The Tokyo World Athletics Championships will run from September 13 to 21 and can be seen live and exclusive on TVJ, TVJSN and OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Our coverage starts on September 12.